In this section, we take a balanced and well-sourced look at the relationship between the Qur'an and science. Rather than making claims of miracles, we focus on exploring certain verses that show intriguing parallels with modern scientific findings. It is important to emphasize that the Qur'an is not a scientific textbook. However, some of its expressions appear to align in interesting ways with discoveries made by contemporary science. This approach allows for a thoughtful examination of these connections without exaggeration or unfounded assertions. By doing so, we aim to provide a nuanced perspective on how religious texts and scientific knowledge can sometimes intersect. The concept of the expanding universe has fascinated scientists and thinkers for decades. In the 47th verse of Surah Adh-Dhariyat, the Qur'an mentions that the heavens are being expanded, a statement that has drawn attention for its apparent alignment with modern scientific discoveries. In 1929, Edwin Hubble observed that distant galaxies are moving away from us, providing the first concrete evidence that the universe is indeed expanding. Today, this idea forms a cornerstone of cosmology, supported by extensive astronomical data and theoretical models. The parallel between the ancient scripture and contemporary science continues to spark discussions about the relationship between faith and empirical knowledge. The phrase, "we sent down iron," found in verse 25 of Surah Hadid, has intrigued both scholars and scientists. In the context of modern science, iron is known to have a cosmic origin, forming in the cores of massive stars through nuclear fusion. After these stars explode as supernovae, iron is dispersed into space and eventually reaches planets like Earth via meteorites. This scientific understanding aligns remarkably with the Quranic expression, suggesting that iron was not originally part of Earth's formation, but arrived from extraterrestrial sources. The convergence of ancient scripture and contemporary astrophysics offers a fascinating perspective on in Surah An-Nur, verse 40, the Quran describes the depths of the sea as layers of darkness, with waves upon waves and clouds above, creating a profound sense of obscurity. Modern oceanography has revealed that sunlight cannot penetrate beyond a certain depth in the ocean, resulting in pitch-black conditions where life adapts to the absence of light. The verse's imagery of overlapping waves and darkness closely mirrors scientific findings about the ocean's stratified layers and the way light is blocked by both water and surface weather. This remarkable similarity highlights how ancient descriptions resonate with contemporary scientific understanding. It suggests an intuitive grasp of the mysterious and inhospitable nature of the deep sea, long before technological advancements allowed us to explore these hidden realms. In the 6th and 7th verses of Surah An-Naba, mountains are described as stakes or pegs. This metaphor highlights the stabilizing role that mountains play on Earth. Modern geology reveals that mountains often have deep roots extending beneath the surface, much like stakes driven into the ground. These roots help anchor the Earth's crust and contribute to tectonic stability. By comparing the ancient description with scientific findings, we see a remarkable alignment between the metaphorical language of the verse and the geological understanding of mountains as stabilizing structures. This connection invites reflection on how natural features serve essential functions in maintaining the balance of our planet. In conclusion, The video takes a balanced look at certain parallels between expressions found in the Qur'an and discoveries of modern science. It emphasizes that the Qur'an is not a scientific textbook, nor does it conflict with scientific understanding. This approach encourages viewers to reflect thoughtfully, rather than drawing exaggerated connections. The discussion sets the stage for further exploration, inviting the audience to consider more examples in future videos. By maintaining a neutral perspective, the video fosters curiosity and open-minded inquiry.